Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and preparing seriously for your careers. So today's video is very important, especially for freshers who are looking for an opportunity in a top product based company. In this video, I am going to talk about a software engineer opening at a Qualcomm India Private Limited. And yes, this role is suitable for freshers. So please watch this video till the end because I will explain everything step by step about the company, job role, eligibility, required skills, preparation strategy and how to apply properly. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the company. The company is Qualcomm India Private Limited. Qualcomm is one of the world's leading technology innovators. It is globally known for building advanced semiconductor chips and processors, especially Snapdragon processors that are used in many smartphones. Apart from mobile processors, Qualcomm also works in embedded system, wireless communication technologies like 5G, cloud edge software, artificial intelligence at the edge, and many next generation technologies. So this is not a small company, it is a global product based company with the strong technical exposure. Now let's understand the job role. The role is software engineer under the engineering group. Basic knowledge of a computer networks is also helpful. If you know Linux commands, debugging techniques, system level programming, or embedded fundamentals, that will give you an extra advantage. Even if you are from a backend or cloud background, do not worry. But make sure you understand core computer science fundamentals. Now let's talk about preparation strategy. If you are planning to apply, start revising DSA daily. Practice coding problems on platforms like LeetCode or Gigs for Gigs. Revise C or C++ basics, pointers, memory management, object-oriented programming is must. Revise operating system and network fundamentals. If possible, try to build one small system level project or improve your GitHub profile. Now let's talk about how to apply. You can apply through the official Qualcomm career websites. You can also go to LinkedIn and search for Qualcomm Software Engineer India. Open the official job posting and click on apply. While filling the form, fill the form carefully, upload a clean and updated resume, check for spelling mistakes, mention correct email ID and phone number. After applying, regularly check your email box and LinkedIn messages for updates. Now let me give you one very important resume tip. Your resume should be simple and clean. Highlight your technical skills clearly. Mention programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python. Mention DSA knowledge. Add your academic projects, internships and GitHub links. If you have worked on embedded system, IoT or system level application, highlight them strongly. In this position, you will be working on embedded and cloud software development. Your responsibilities include designing, developing, creating, modifying, and validating software solutions. You will assist in analyzing user requirements and software requirements. You will design and implement small software features. You will be participate in coding, unit testing, debugging minor issues, and supporting integration efforts. You will also help in performing code reviews and regression testing. And very importantly, you will collaborate with system engineers, hardware engineers, architecture teams, and test engineers. One key line mentioned in the job description is work under supervision. This clearly shows that this is an entry level role. It also mentions assisting, participating, and implementing small features, which again indicate that freshers can apply. Now let's talk about the eligibility. The minimum qualification required is a bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, information systems or a related field. There is a no experience required mentioned. So yes, this role is open for freshers. If you are a final year student or recently graduated, you can apply. Now let's talk about what skills you should have. Since Qualcomm works a lot on embedded system, having a knowledge of C or C++ is very important. You should also be strong in data structures and algorithms because product-based companies focus heavily on problem-solving ability. You should understand operating system concepts like processes, threads, memory management, scheduling, and synchronization. Basic knowledge of a computer network is also helpful. Now, finally, why should you apply? Because this is a global product based company, it offers strong learning opportunities, it has a strong brand value, and it can significantly boost your technical career. Even if you are not fully confident, still apply. Do not reject yourself before the company does. The worst that can happen is rejection, but the best that can happen is life changing opportunity. So apply, prepare seriously, and keep improving. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, comment your branch and graduation year below, and subscribe to my channel for more freshers job update and preparation guidance. I'm also a learner like you, and I share opportunities where I find them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.